What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a beat or quick instrumental with Loopcloud in Pro Tools. First, you're going to download Loopcloud. I have the discount link below. Next, you're going to make a new stereo track. You're going to open an insert just like you're putting a plug-in on. Then you just select Loopcloud. I like to make folders on my own loop so I can pull them up in here and have the tempos and the keys match. Now you can tap your tempo with T in Pro Tools and it will sync with Loopcloud. If you don't have your own loops, you can purchase them through Loopcloud. In fact, when you sign up, they give you use this like dollars to points ratio. So say however many points buys a loop, but you might get 2,000 when you sign up. I'm not sure the exact ratio. It just it changes depending on the time. So it may be different at the point of you watching this video depending on when you watched it, but it's not much. And you get like annual points and rewards and different things like that. So honestly, I don't think I've ever spent additional money other than my annual subscription. But anyway, next you can select a key and start flipping through your loops. All right, start with the drums. Sometimes I'll start with the bass, but usually the drums. Then I'll pick a bass kind of groove that I'm going with. On top of adding your own loops, you can also save favorites. So if you want to go to your favorite drum sounds, for example, you have some that you use a lot, you can go to those real quick. This kind of makes workflow a little bit easier. Then I'm going to pick some sort of an instrument for the melody. We can get guitar, piano, anything we want. Flip through all of these. Once you have all the loops you want in your editor, you can export them to a folder that you can then import back into Pro Tools. Once the loops are in Pro Tools, they should be chopped to your grid so you can easily loop them and arrange them and mix them however you want. Once you got everything arranged how you want, chopped up, you can bounce the file, and however you want it, you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching this rep with the Heights Lab. I got a whole lot more on the way.